Hi guys, I miss you so much. This is Miss Anna. Today I'm gonna make some banana pancakes. They're really easy to make and healthy, and you don't need too much, and you can help mommy and daddy. It's a real easy, practical life activity. So I'll show you how to make it. This is what we'll need: a ripe banana, egg whites, flour, baking powder, vanilla oil. All the measurements will be posted, and then you just mix the dry ingredients and the wet separately, and then you combine them together. You mix all the ingredients. This is the part where you can help mommy and daddy pour the ingredients, mix it so the batter could be all ready to go when you're cooking it. And here it is. The step is for mommy and daddy to cook them. But yeah, I actually added some chocolate chips. You can make it healthier. You can add blueberries, strawberries, bananas. Yummy.